Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Eufy Floodlight camera keeps going offline in 2026. Now, some Eufy Floodlight camera models cannot directly connect to Wi-Fi, while others rely on a home base. So you need to first of all check which model you are using. If it uses the home base and that device goes offline, your camera will also disconnect. So in that case, you can just simply restart the home base or the router, and then you can confirm it is online. Now, if your setup is correct, then you can just simply take a look at the signal strength. So the outdoor cameras often show signal but still disconnect due to the interference. Sometimes wall or metal surfaces or long distance can weaken the stability. So in this case, you can try moving your router closer and then adding a Wi-Fi extender near the camera. Floodlight cameras require consistent power as well. So if the wiring is loose or if the voltage fluctuates, the camera may restart or go offline. So you need to make sure that the wall switch is always on and also connections are secure. So you can try all of these easy methods and see if the camera is back online again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.